welcome to another episode of Cooking on the Clock, brought to you by Grace Foods. I'm your host, Kamila McDonald, and today we are cooking on the clock. Today we're actually blending on the clock. We're going to be blending our 3 superpower breakfast smoothies that we've already prepped. So this is awesome if you're someone who you're really rushing in the mornings, you need something quick but nutritious and delicious. And that's what we'll have here today. So again, we have our turmeric detox smoothie, we have our cauliflower power smoothie, and we also have our super power spirulina smoothie. These are our dry ingredients, which we've prepped already, and we're just gonna grab our produce from the freezer. We've already measured them out. So if you are just catching this episode, we'll link it below so that you can get all prepped up with us. And let's blend on the clock. All right, guys, so we're officially on the clock. We're gonna pull out our produce. You're probably prepping one of these at the time, but today, just for the fun of it, we're gonna go ahead and prep everything. So all of our produce is already frozen. I'm gonna just stick it in the blender here. All right, so we're starting with our superpower spirulina. All right, and remember to catch the corresponding produce bag. So that's our superpower spirulina dry ingredients. So this has our spirulina or hemp or chia or flax. I think we even added maca to this. The point is, who cares? We don't know. We already prepped it up. We're just on the clock right here. All right, awesome. And then the liquid base is really up to you. I'm gonna use almond milk today. You can use hemp milk, you can use coconut milk. I usually use about 1 cup, but the idea is you're covering, just getting enough liquid to get a blend in. And it also depends on the consistency that you prefer. So the thicker you want it, the less liquid you use. And if you want it kind of thin and smooth, then you add a little more liquid. So let's go ahead and blend this one up. You're gonna get that rich green color from the spirulina and also the kale. All right, so this is our super power spirulina breakfast smoothie. All right, I'm just gonna do a taste test. Perfect. Usually you'd probably be making one of these smoothies at any one time. We're just gonna blend so that we can take you through the flow. I found frozen chickpeas that I had from some weeks back. I'm gonna add them on freestyle to one of these. Let's get this washed out. All right, guys, we're still on the clock. Are you with me? All right, let's go again. So now let's go for the cauliflower. So let's go ahead and take our produce first. So this is our frozen cauliflower rice. We had our cucumber. We had our frozen banana. And we're just gonna add this all to the blender. What I love about smoothies also is how portable they are. So if you need to be in and out, you have to drive to work. Maybe you're driving to the gym, then you can just blend it up quickly and have it there in your car with you. All right, I'm also gonna use almond milk for the cauliflower power. Let's get it all in. And then we blend and go. All right, now we're gonna go for turmeric detox breakfast smoothie. add a little bit of, you can add your favorite anythings, really. That's what's great about smoothies. You can just really superfood them up, and the sweetness from the pineapple or the banana or even the dates can mask any bitterness from any veggie, really. And for this one, we're gonna add a little bit of coconut milk. This one is gonna be even more rich and creamy. And we're also gonna add some coconut water. All right, let's get this blending. All right. All right, guys, and there you have it. With a little bit of prep and a whole lot of love, in minutes, you can have your breakfast smoothies ready. So we had our superpower breakfast spirulina smoothie. We had our cauliflower power smoothie. And then we also had our turmeric detox smoothie. And again, you can mix, you can match, you can have one on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. You can prep them up. Just add your produce to the freezer, have your dried ingredients standing by, and again, on the clock, here's your breakfast packed with all the nutrients that you need to power up for the day. So join us again for another episode of Cooking on the Clock, brought to you by Grace Foods. I'm your host, Kamila McDonald. See you again soon.